What up, YouTube? It's me, Kevin, and your boy Taino has given me a shout out on his last 2 videos, and I very much appreciate that. I have no way of knowing how to repay him other than to give him a trick that I have been doing for myself, and if you are like him, you'll dumpster dive and possibly find this for free. If you don't, go to the hardware store. It'll cost you about 10 bucks. So let's do this. Here I am at my washout booth, and as you can tell, the bottom is not very desirable to look at. You got to think of your washout booth kind of like your dishwasher. When you put your dishes in the dishwasher, you don't put the dishes in the bottom of it. You have it in a rack, and it's up off the floor. So what we want to do is get anything that we're trying to clean, especially our screens or our scoop coater or whatever it is that we're trying to clean, off the floor. So let me show you a quick and easy trick to that. Here we are inside the washout booth, and what I have here is a 1x4 that is cut in half because I have one on this side and the other side. This is treated because I know I'm going to be spraying water on it and I don't really want it to rot. It is screwed in from the outside. This is plastic, so it's not hard at all to get a screw going through there. And it is also leveled going downhill so that when I spray, anything that gets water on it goes away from the lip and goes toward the drain. Next, you'll need a clothes rack that they sell in the hardware store. This one happened to be 1 foot by 4 foot, and it was about 10 bucks. The reason I went with this is because it will allow water to go through it. It is metal and it is coated with some type of rubber, so I don't really have to worry about my screens being cut up or anything. This is made for clothes, and you're in the clothes business. So buy yourself a $10 4 foot by 1 foot rack that is designed to go in a closet, and cut it to whatever size your washout booth is. And this thing is designed to go like this on the wall, but what we want to do is turn it upside down and lay it in there. It kind of needs to be a tight fit. You don't want it moving on you as you're cleaning the screens, but it serves a multi-purpose. Not only did it get your screens or scoop coater or anything that you were cleaning out of the muck that you were creating, but it also gave you a shelf to hold on to things while they dry and drip into the drain. Now the next part is completely optional, but what I do is I have a 1x from the same piece of wood, about 1 inch wide, that runs the length of it, and what I do is I squeeze like a multi-purpose air filter in behind it, and what that does is that it will catch any water particles that went through the screen. I don't want it coming back, and I don't want it making a mess anywhere outside of my washout booth. I also have the same filter in the bottom of my washout booth to catch any debris that doesn't need to go in the drains and cause me further issues down the road. helped you out if you were trying to find a cheap and easy way to pick your screens up out of the muck. It will also give you a shelf, like I said, so it serves a multiple purpose. And a special thank you to Taino Inc. for the shout out. I can't thank him enough for helping my channel out, and I hope this helped him out as well. For those of you who haven't even thought about this, I would highly think about picking your screen up out of all the stuff that you're trying to get off of it. And until next time, peace! Your gap in the, what is it called? Or whatever it is, my phone. Every time. No! That's yuck. In the clothes rack section. Clothes rack section? Sounds right.